Hello, Sam-ariffic science fans! I love science. I also love fantasy books. So when I'm reading fantasy books, I begin to wonder if some of these things could actually be scientifically possible. For me, the biggest thing has always been, could dragons really fly? Today we're gonna unfold the world of dragons. I've decided that the dragon we're going to use in our experiment today is a dragon from Wings of Fire, a sandring named Smolder. I picked him because of this picture in a guide to the dragon world by T. Sutherland. It gives us the perfect scale. The human's name is Rose, and she's probably about 35 years old, so we'll say that she's about 5.5 feet tall. The dragon, Smolder, is about 3.5 times bigger. That means that he's approximately 19.25 feet, or 5.67 meters tall, and he's about 22 feet long, or 6.7 meters. We will assume he weighs about 2 tons. So the first thing is actually a good sign if this dragon could fly. It does have a keel, which is a type of bone for the large flight muscles to attach to. We can tell because his chest isn't smooth. Smolder and every other living thing that flies can't have a smooth chest. Also, any dragon that wants to fly needs the right wing size and flight speed. The faster it flew, the smaller the wing size would be relevant to its weight. Think of it as balancing rocks on a seesaw. You have one big block for its weight on one side, and two smaller blocks for its flight speed and wing size. If the flight speed block was smaller, then the wing size block would need to be bigger. If Smolder weighs 2 tons and his wings are about 12 feet or 3.658 meters, which they are, and his speed is 120 kilometers per hour, then he would be unable to fly. His wings would need to look something like this, or he would have to fly at speeds that no skin-webbed wings could handle without being torn to shreds. In Wings of Fire, though, there are also sky wings who have larger wings, but before anyone asks, no, they aren't large enough to fly. I repeat, sky wing wings are not large enough to be able to fly either. So now you know, Smolder can't fly. So I doubt most others could. However, I have better things to do with my life than calculate the speed and size of fantasy creatures just to see if they could fly, like maybe actually reading fantasy books. Regardless, this was fun to make. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Also, in something like the inheritance cycle, where there's humans riding the dragon, and there's that way taken into consideration as well, they definitely wouldn't be able to fly.